It's 2026. What do we want to accomplish? What do we want to work on? What projects we want to tackle this year here in the garage? The D100. Now that this thing is finally running good, it is time to address some long neglected punch list items. First, with a date code of like 2802, so the 28th week of 2002, baby needs some new shoes. These things are cracked, they're dry rotted, the tread in the back is like falling apart from doing burnouts. I mean, these tires are shot. So yeah, baby's getting some new shoes. Number two, the exhaust. The exhaust on this thing has kind of always been a pain. I know that there are some leaks on the passenger side, so I'm probably just going to blow the whole thing apart, redo the exhaust on this thing. Number three is a transmission crossmember. I took the original crossmember out of this thing when I upgraded to the 46RH, and I just kind of modified the original crossmember, and it works. Am I being picky? Yeah, probably, but I want to fabricate a new crossmember. That's going to be a pretty decent welding project for that. So, on the topic of welding projects, I am currently in talks with a brand collaboration, hopefully, with a company that makes some pretty kick-ass welders. So I'm looking to hopefully do an upgrade to some of my welding capabilities here in the garage, and is good timing because I have some welding projects that I need to get taken care of. Just things that I've kind of been dealing with or overlooking the past few years that I really want to address. So there's going to be hopefully some really good welding projects coming up. Number four, the plasma table. This thing has been staring at me from this corner of the garage. And as you can see, I mean, I've still got stuff that I'm working on 3D printing wise to get this thing up and running. It's kind of turned into a catch-all. I mean, most of these parts are plasma table parts. So, but yeah, this thing's been mocking me from this corner of the garage. And whatever else I decide to kind of work on here in and around the garage. That's what this channel is, right? It's more than just automotive. It's more than just welding. It's kind of just whatever goes on in the garage, around the house, around the yard, whatever kind of projects I'm working on at the time. Because like you, I've got a ton of different things going on. Seems like all the time. So I figure, why not share it with you? Maybe stuff I'm working on is similar to what you got going on, and we can kind of share ideas, talk about things, and maybe give each other ideas, because I really want this channel to be very collaborative, very kind of community based. I really want us to be able to have a real two-way rather than just, you know, you listening to me talk and do things and whatever else. But 2025 was a pretty decent year for the channel. It was slow and steady growth, and I owe that all to you guys. I really want to thank you guys for watching, commenting, subscribing, sharing, doing all the YouTube stuff. I really appreciate you guys. I'm still having a lot of fun doing this. It's been some slow and steady growth, and again, that's all thanks to you guys. So hopefully going forward to 2026, be more of the same, if not better. Hopefully everybody out there has a happy and healthy 2026.